is Dr. Seema Kotak, a homeopath, and today I am going to talk about the importance of sleep in maintaining a healthy, good weight. Well, study says that sleep deprivation affects an area of the brain called as the frontal lobe. Now, this frontal lobe is responsible for good decision making and impulse control. So it has been noticed that when people do not sleep well, that time this particular frontal lobe activity goes down. So whenever those individuals see a piece of cake, or extra piece of ice cream, they are unable to control themselves because the impulse control goes down. The decision making skill goes down. Second thing has been noticed that people who do not sleep well, these people have more cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and that is why they land up conserving more energy, so storing more fat. The third thing has been observed that people who do not sleep well are usually having a disturbance in the hormones that are responsible for good appetite. So now let me explain. We have two hormones. One hormone which is responsible for stimulating our appetite, and the second which tells our brain that we are full. So when we are sleep deprived, that time there is a complete imbalance in these two hormones, and that is why we land up feeling more hungry, and even the satiety center, that is when we feel full, that feeling also goes down. So we feel like eating more and more food. In fact, we land up eating more food which is high in calories, high in carbohydrates and fats. And last but not the least, it has been noticed that when people are sleep deprived, at that time their metabolism also goes completely, haywire. So it's very necessary that we sleep well. The sleep could be from 6 to 8 hours, but regular, daily, proper sleep is very necessary. So what are the tips and tricks to have a good sleep? First is to avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before sleep. The second tip is to have a good healthy meal, but preferably have an early dinner and not a very heavy one, so that there is less amount of chance of acid reflux. The third point is to switch off the TV or mobile computers at least 1 hour before sleep. The fourth tip is to have a kind of a schedule, a daily, a routine before sleep. Maybe have a warm bath, read, meditate, do whatever which makes us feel more relaxed. Another tip is that we need to have a fixed time for sleep. That is, we decide that we sleep at a particular time and get up at a particular time. So when we follow all these tips, we realize that we have a good weight, a healthy weight. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.